Hi everyone. So YJ, just I gave you hack and for you're staying in Japan. So if you are a tourist in Tokyo and Osaka, definitely. So uh, yeah, definitely is the downloading is like this application. So this application's name is the Go Taxi. Just I just only using as taxi application in Japan, right? It's like a Uber, calling the cab, the online booking platform. You know, I think so those tourists so doesn't know so which area so are you able to get the taxi you know in a non booking a taxi how they stopped it, how they found it, right? So if you found it, like, so how do you tell them, so destination is like needed to use so Google Map, Google Translate, right? Because so those of a taxi driver is older person, right? Never speak so like English, the Mandarin, as a language, just only speaking so Japanese, and one thing is they notice you are not so like citizen, you're the foreigner, right? But foreigner is a tourist, then they, yeah, I think so they were they give you overcharging, tend to spend a lot of time, so take the long the way to go around and then finally arrive at the destination, so even just so we know so which the district is the most easy to arriving at the next destination, right? But those my tourist friends, so doesn't know that everything, right? That's definitely the use of this Go Taxi. The 415 is the language, the capability. Then I think as the US, the people like still believe this using us like what they call the Uber, yeah, Uber taxi. I didn't so see that, so not much to see so Uber, and around the Tokyo. It's just a bit so it's expensive than so Go Taxi. Go Taxi is more like affordable price. Yeah, that's what I saying. Yeah, then so yeah, so then yeah, what I saying is so yeah, and so I have helped the so who tourist and randomly person around the big station at the time, so I helped them, so they the two kids so two parents one family, they are looking for where they were the call in a taxi, they so the checking it like so Uber application, but so never matching. That's the this is the because so this is a so unloading area. It's not allowed. And a taxi is stopped, so waiting for their finding is next so customer, the passenger, right? Then I tell them that this you must use it, you must download it, Go Taxi. And then I help them, finally they get the so taxi, go to the so hotel, right? Yeah, I didn't hack, Go Taxi. So you must try and download so Go Taxi, before landing so Tokyo, Osaka, right? Okay. Yeah. So today's so I gave you like good information for taxi booking a taxi platform, right? So give me a comment, if you're learning Japanese, and so you have a schedule and a plan, for visiting Japan, the Tokyo, obviously Tokyo, right? This I will help, okay? Let me know. Thank you very much. Bye bye.